Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make File Explorer transparent in Windows 11. First things first, visit the provided website link that I will show on your screen. Then, download the zip file named System Transparency. Once downloaded, you want to open the downloaded folder. Then right-click on the folder and select Extract All. After that, choose the destination and click Extract. Then find the extracted systemtransparency.exe file. Right-click on it and select Copy. Next, you want to open the Startup folder by searching for Startup in the Windows search bar. Once you have found it, just open the Startup folder, paste the copied file into this folder, and if prompted for permissions, just select Continue. Then you want to navigate to the left-hand menu in File Explorer, click on Documents, look for systemtransparency.ini, and double-click to open it. You also want to modify the trans value to 230 and the Explorer value to 1 and save the changes by clicking on File and then Save. After that, just close the file and go to the System tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, locate the System Transparency icon. Lastly, you want to right-click on the System Transparency icon, click on Setup and Info, and change the value to 230. And check the box that says Affect All Explorer Windows, and click on OK. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.